Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error message. This software cannot be used at the same time as the game, which commonly appears in games like Battlefield, FC25, and other anti-cheat protected titles. This is a simple fix, so let's get straight into it. First, open any web browser. In the search bar, type uninstall-interception GitHub and click on the GitHub result. Once you're on the GitHub page, scroll down and click Download Latest Release. Now download the file called interception.zip and save it to your PC. After the download finishes, locate the zip file, right-click it and select Extract All. You can extract it to your desktop or any folder you prefer. Open the extracted folder and locate Interception Command Line Installer. Click inside the folder's address bar, copy the full folder path, and keep it copied. Now open the Start menu, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. In Command Prompt, type CD, then paste the folder path and press Enter. Next, type dir. Press Enter, then copy and paste this command. You will find it in the description of this video. Press Enter to run it. Once the command finishes, restart your computer. After rebooting, launch your game again. The error should now be gone. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you fix the issue, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.